Good morning, children. Third standard social studies. We started 18th lesson, is it not? Let us take the next page today, children. And what we are learning early civilizations. Yesterday we learned Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamian is in which country? Iraq. Now today let us learn Egyptian civilization. Means in Egypt also people very beginning only they started leading a civilized life. Here also I put brackets, children, underlined, learn them. Okay, the Egyptian civilization came up along river Nile in Africa. So Egyptian civilization near which river, children? Nile. And in which country? Africa. Okay, in which continent? Africa. Even today Egypt is known as the gift of the Nile. Okay, even today what is known as the gift of the Nile? Egypt. Okay, so the people, how the people are. So today we are learning about Egyptian civilization, and it came beside which river, children? River Nile. Okay, and it is known as, Egypt is known as the gift of Nile. Now let us see about the people, how the people live. Okay, now here the people, no children, here the king was known as Pharaoh. Okay, the king was called as Pharaoh, and also people believed in a God. Okay, he people actually believed the king was a god. Okay, and the famous god they believed was Khufu. Okay, and okay, let us read. The king was called a pharaoh. People believed he was God. Khufu was a famous pharaoh. Okay, what we learned here, they call the king as what, children? Pharaoh. And they believed that Pharaoh was a god. Clear? And among all the pharaohs, who was very popular? Khufu. Next, priests and important officers advised the king. Who advised the king? Priests and important officers. Priests, Priests. People worked as farmers, fishermen, traders, potters, carpenters, and glassmakers in Egypt. The Egyptians worshipped many gods and goddesses. The chief god was the sun god. He was called Ra. All festivals, at festivals people sang and danced. Children played with toys such as wooden soldiers, marbles, and dolls. So which civilization we are learning, children? Egyptian civilization. Beside which river it came up? River Nile. And Egypt is known as the gift of Nile. Now people. Here the king was called as what, children? Pharaoh. And they considered Pharaoh as a god only. Who was the most famous pharaoh? Khufu. Clear? Now next thing is, who advised the king? Priests and important officers. And people worked like as we all lived, no? We are living, no? Even they are also farmers, fishermen, traders, potters, etc. And they worshipped many goddesses, gods and goddesses, but important god was the sun god. Got? And he was called as Ra. Children played with marbles, soldiers, and dolls. Now, what they did? What did the people do? The Egyptians wrote on sheets that looked like a paper. These sheets were made from a plant called papyrus. The word paper comes from papyrus. The Egyptians were great builders. Most buildings were built as rest places for kings after their death. Such buildings are called pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest pyramid in the world. It was built for Khufu. The Egyptians believed but there was life after that. They preserved the dead bodies of their kings. These were called mummies. Egyptians knew a lot about the human body. They could set broken bones. So what the people did? First thing, they used to write on a sheet like paper, children. What is, how they got this paper? From a plant called papyrus. They got it from a plant called papyrus. That's why from papyrus we call paper. Now we write on the sheet, now we call it paper. That time it started. Clear? And next thing is, they are very good at buildings, children. You may be knowing Egypt means immediately pyramids. Why they built pyramids, children? Because see in the picture, they built pyramids. Why? Because they believe that people live after death also. After death also people will live. That's why what they used to do, it is something inside, it is hollow, children. Inside they'll keep all the people's famous things, what they all want, that they keep inside. They keep the body inside and they close it. Clear? They are called pyramids. Inside they keep the body, the body is called mummy. mummies, mummies we say, that's what mummy means in Egyptian language. It is the dead body of the people. Okay. And what is the famous pyramid? The out of all, the biggest pyramid is, which was built for the king, for the Khufu, and it is called Pyramid of Giza. Got children? Today we learned about Egyptians civilization. Egypt is beside river Nile in Africa. Clear? And next thing, they believed in, for them actually king, they called king as Pharaoh, and Pharaoh is something like a god for them, and Khufu is the famous Pharaoh. And next thing is, they mainly used to worship sun god, and sun god they called Ra. Okay, children used to play like you all with soldiers, dolls, etc., wooden soldiers and all. And next thing is, they used to write on a sheet called papyrus. It is a sheet they used to make. Understand? This sheet was made from a plant called papyrus. That's why that is finally known as the paper. And they built the biggest pyramid, that is called Pyramid of Gaza, and it is actually built for the Pyramid of Giza, children. It is built for the Khufu, the famous pharaoh. Okay. And what they believe is, the people live after the death also. That's why they keep what all they liked inside the pyramid, and even the body, and they close it. That body, what they keep inside, is called as mummy. Okay, children. Now all these bits and words you learn, children, you will have to write a test. Okay.